Despite all our scientific breakthroughs, the world still hides places that defy logic. Forests that twist unnaturally, seas with no shores, and landscapes shaped by forces we don't understand. Are they rare quirks of nature, or something more mysterious? Let's dive into 7 mind-boggling places that science still can't explain. The Sargasso Sea, North Atlantic, a sea with no shores. The Sargasso Sea, a vast stretch of ocean trapped within swirling currents, has puzzled scientists for centuries. Unlike any other sea on Earth, it's defined not by land, but by the relentless motion of ocean gyres. It serves as a breeding ground for eels, a refuge for marine life, and, most eerily, a collector of floating debris, including ghost ships left adrift for years. Some researchers believe this unusual ecosystem holds secrets about the origins of life itself. But even with modern technology, many of its mysteries remain unsolved. Sailors throughout history have told unsettling tales of the Sargasso's eerie stillness, where ships become trapped in a seemingly endless expanse of floating seaweed, their progress slowed to a haunting crawl. Some have reported strange bioluminescent creatures lurking just beneath the surface, their glow flickering like signals from the deep. Could these be undiscovered species, or remnants of an ancient world hidden beneath the waves? The Sargasso Sea remains a place where the ocean's past and future collide, leaving more questions than answers. The Dancing Forest, Russia. Deep in Russia's Curonian Spit lies a forest unlike any other. Trees here don't stand tall and proud. Instead, they twist, spiral, and bend in impossible shapes, as if frozen mid-dance. Scientists have long debated what causes this bizarre phenomenon. Some blame the region's fierce coastal winds, while others point to unique soil conditions. But none of these theories fully explain why each tree grows in its own strange, unpredictable pattern. Is it nature's odd experiment, or something else entirely? Adding to the enigma, local legends whisper of supernatural forces at play. Some believe the forest was cursed long ago, while others claim the trees are shaped by unseen energy fields or even ancient spirits. Visitors often report an eerie atmosphere, as if the forest itself is alive, watching their every move. Whether science or folklore holds the key, one thing is certain: the dancing forest continues to defy explanation. The Taos hum, New Mexico, USA. Imagine hearing a constant low-frequency hum that no one else seems to notice. That's the eerie reality for some residents of Taos, New Mexico. Known as the Taos hum, this mysterious noise has baffled scientists and locals alike. Some describe it as an engine idling in the distance, others as an unsettling vibration. Studies have ruled out industrial noise, seismic activity, and even psychological factors. And yet, the hum persists, frustrating those who hear it and confusing those who don't. Could it be a natural phenomenon, a government secret, or something we've yet to understand? Adding to the mystery, reports of similar hums have surfaced in places as far apart as Canada, the UK, and New Zealand. Some believe it's the result of ultra-low frequency sound waves, while conspiracy theories range from secret military experiments to extraterrestrial signals. Despite years of investigation, there's still no definitive answer, only an unsettling question. Why can only some people hear it, while others remain completely oblivious? The Devil's Sea, Japan. They call it the Dragon's Triangle, and for good reason. Located off Japan's coast, this stretch of ocean is notorious for swallowing ships and planes without a trace. Strange magnetic anomalies, erratic compass readings, and eerie lights in the sky have been reported for centuries. One of the most chilling disappearances was that of the USS Cyclops, a massive US Navy ship that vanished in 1918, taking all 309 crew members with it. Could underwater volcanoes or deep-sea trenches be responsible? Or is something more sinister lurking beneath these waters? Some theorists speculate that the Dragon's Triangle is home to a hidden force, perhaps an ancient civilization, extraterrestrial activity, or even an underwater time warp. Japanese folklore speaks of sea dragons and ghostly vessels that drift without a crew, lost between worlds. Fishermen who dare to sail too close have reported hearing whispers carried by the wind, as if the ocean itself holds secrets not meant to be uncovered. Devil's Kettle, USA. A waterfall with no end? In Minnesota's Judge C.R. Magny State Park, the Brule River splits into two at the mysterious Devil's Kettle. One side flows downstream as expected, but the other vanishes into a gaping hole, never to be seen again. Scientists have tried everything: dye tests, GPS trackers, even dropping physical objects into the hole. But nothing ever resurfaces. Where does the water go? Underground caves? Hidden tunnels? The answer remains as elusive as ever. Local legends whisper of supernatural forces at play, with some believing the kettle is a gateway to another world. Others tell stories of lost travelers and ancient spirits guarding its depths. Even with modern scientific methods, the mystery persists, drawing curious minds and daring adventurers who stand at the edge, mesmerized by a river that dares to defy logic. The Chocolate Hills, Philippines. Scattered across the Philippine island of Bohol, the Chocolate Hills look like something out of a fairy tale. Nearly 2,000 symmetrical mounds stretch across the landscape, turning a rich brown in the dry season, giving them their name. Geologists theorize they were formed over millions of years, yet their near-perfect shapes remain an enigma. And if science can't fully explain them, local legends offer a different answer, one of giants' heartbreak and tears that solidified into these striking formations. So, what's the real story? No one knows for sure. Even stranger, despite their uniform appearance, no two hills are exactly alike, as if shaped by an unseen force with an artist's touch. Some researchers have speculated that underground caves and tunnels may lie beneath them, hinting at an ancient geological process yet to be uncovered. Others believe the hills hold spiritual significance, a sacred place untouched by time. Whether they are nature's masterpiece or remnants of something forgotten, the Chocolate Hills continue to captivate all who stand before them. Volovar Mountain, Russia. In the remote wilderness of Russia's Karelia region stands Volovar Mountain, a place shrouded in mystery and ancient folklore. At its peak lie bizarre stone formations, towering like giant mushrooms. How did they get there? Some believe they were sculpted by glaciers, others suspect seismic activity played a role. But local legends tell a different tale, one of ancient giants, mystical energies, and hidden forces beyond our comprehension. Whether science will ever fully explain Volovar Mountain remains to be seen. Adding to the intrigue, explorers have reported unusual occurrences near the summit, compasses spinning erratically, strange lights flickering in the sky, and an eerie silence that seems to swallow all sound. Some claim the area emits a strange energy, affecting electronic devices and even causing vivid, otherworldly dreams. Is it just nature's trick, or does Volovar Mountain hold secrets we're not meant to uncover? From twisted forests to vanishing waterfalls, our planet is filled with places that challenge our understanding of the world. Are these mysteries simply waiting for science to catch up? Or are they clues to something much greater, forces beyond our current comprehension? One thing is certain: the more we explore, the more we realize how little we truly know. Which of these places fascinates you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mind-blowing mysteries. And remember, the world's greatest secrets aren't always hidden in distant lands. They might be lurking in your own backyard, waiting to be discovered. So stay curious, keep questioning, and never stop exploring. Who knows? The next great mystery might just be yours to solve.